Thanks.
The Gathering Oklahoma Classic Auto Show took over Hinton, Oklahoma's Red Rock Canyon Adventure Park for an unforgettable 2-day celebration of classic automobiles, camping, and everything that makes Oklahoma car culture so damn fun. Presented by Casino Oklahoma, the event brought together an incredible collection of roughly 100 excellently restored classic cars, trucks, and everything in between. From polished showpieces to unique builds with plenty of personality, there was something around every corner to catch the attention of anyone who appreciates old school automotive style.
This might be my favorite.
And this wasn't just a car show, it was a weekend getaway. Attendees had 2 full days to camp at Red Rock Canyon, kick back, explore the park, and take in the incredible scenery surrounding the event.
Dude, that's cool.
The combination of classic vehicles and the natural beauty of the canyon made for a pretty damn good setting, giving everyone plenty of opportunities to hang out with friends, meet fellow enthusiasts, check out the vehicles, and simply enjoy being outside. The gathering also brought together some excellent vendors and businesses from across the automotive and enthusiast world. Square Body Nation, 77 Upholstery, Big Tex Trailers, and Good Vibes Customs were all on hand, giving attendees plenty to look at and plenty of opportunities to find something cool for their own projects. Add in food, cold beverages, and exclusive Gathering Oklahoma merchandise. And there was no shortage of reasons to stick around and enjoy the entire weekend. Of course, one lucky classic automobile owner is leaving the Gathering Oklahoma with an incredible prize. A set of wheels from US Mags. That prize was just another way the Gathering celebrated the people who pour countless hours, money, creativity, and passion into keeping these classic vehicles alive and looking absolutely incredible. And then there was the weather. For an Oklahoma summer, we honestly couldn't have asked for much better. Despite the heat, the weekend delivered some welcomed overcast skies and an occasional breeze that made spending the day walking around Red Rock Canyon, checking out cars, talking with builders, and hanging around the campground that much better. From the incredible vehicles and vendors to the scenery, camping, food, friends, and that little bit of weather luck, the Gathering Oklahoma proved once again that a great car show isn't just about the cars. It's about the experience and the memories made along the way.
984905. Awesome. Congratulations.
Yep, we're good. Oh,
Sweet. Thanks for playing DVD audio equipment just for registering for the Gathering Oklahoma.
Hold it up for me. Let me get a shot of that. Sweet. Thanks for playing, man.
Thanks for playing.
It's red dirt. It's red dirt. All right.
Whoever wins these wheels, just come see us. One
Only
ticket.
one.
Everyone look up.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Woo. 3, 7, 3, 1, 0, 6. It's very